Hello everyone. So if you are watching this video just because your Aquaguard is beeping red light, so this video is for you. Actually I have a simple solution to it. So as you can see, the red light just stuck there, and after some second it will start beeping. So if this is the same problem you are facing, so follow my guide. This is a very simple error. What happens here, as you can see, this light filters the water, and basically there is a sensor. This is a sensor which is called as purity sensor, or in electronical term it is just a simple LDR, light dependent resistor. You can search online if you want. So this is a faulty sensor. Actually I had replaced it, but I have not connected now. Let me turn off. Okay, so this one is faulty, that's why this error happened. So I have now replaced this and put the new one here. This is just cost me ₹10 in the market. You can just go and grab this sensor with you and ask in the shop. It just cost ₹10. So once you connect them, we just wait. So I have connected the wires now, as you can see, and let me turn this on. Here's the light. So here is the light, and see, the problem is there, but when I do this, let's see, when I put the sensor in there, okay, the sensor is in place. Now see this, the red blinking is solved, and here is our Aquaguard. See, it's now back to work. So the main reason for making this video is not about just the solution. The thing is that many Aquaguard employees who just come to service your Aquaguard, they scam you. They say that your motherboard is at fault, and they do what this, they just replace this motherboard, which is totally fine, and they will charge you around ₹1,000 or maybe ₹1,500. But see, it just costs ₹10. This is LDR. I'll say it once again. This is LDR, light dependent resistor. This just costs ₹10. You can find it in electrical or electronic shop nearby you, and just replace this. See, this is perfectly working now. So please, whenever you have this issue, try to fix yourself, and if even after replacing the LDR doesn't work for you, then you may call a technician, but try at least with 1 or 2 LDRs. There are sometimes LDRs doesn't just take the system, so it's better you brought 2-3 LDRs with you and try replacing 1 or 2 with them, and I'm sure 90% will get a success rate. So this is for it, guys. I hope this video helps you.